Well, greetings interwebs. We're back again today with another delicious recipe from Thailand. If you remember the last one, my buddy Brian and his family are in visiting from out of town, and his wife Sunantha is from Thailand. So she's sharing some of her recipes with us. She kind of forgot that she was going to be on camera doing it, so we were filming her and she didn't realize, and so she's just working her little heart out, making all this good stuff, not realizing that me and Brian are just having fun watching her be on camera. So today we got a good one. It's sweet sticky rice, steamed sweet sticky rice with coconut milk syrup and mango. It's really, really amazing. I looked at it, I thought, yeah, I've had sticky rice but never like this, but oh my goodness, this is not just good for dessert, it's like a snack and everything else. So you're gonna love this. And it's so easy. So yeah, just stand by. Here we go.
Can I have a sugar?
I don't have any sugar.
Then you can have this sweet thing there.
Son, just on my ex-wife. You can't have sweet things.
Thank you.
Too bad.
You're gonna run out of sugar today.
Careful. So was that coconut milk and sugar?
Yes, we're gonna have sugar and gonna add a little bit of salt later.
Okay, how 3 whole cans of coconut milk?
Yeah, but I don't know how much for coconut milk.
How much sugar did you put in it?
Oh, 3 cans. I don't know how much for the sugar I'm putting. Just yeah. I don't know.
Just a bunch of sugar?
Yes. Just how sweet you want.
How sweet do you want? No, is that jasmine rice or some other kind?
Sweet rice.
Sweet rice?
Yes, it's gonna kind of like a. They call it sticky rice, but it's I don't know.
Sweet sticky rice?
Sweet rice, yeah. Not just milk.
Oh, okay.
They didn't say it. Right? Yeah. Sweet rice.
Extra super quality.
Oh, that's gonna
More space?
Sweet.
Oh, sweet.
Should not ask this. Sorry.
What?
No, your age.
No, she had a steamer made for, right? Well,
Oh, is it like a
yeah,
need to
plastic wrap. I took
just
aluminum foil.
just need to cold over them maybe like a five
Or you
10 minutes.
throw a plate over it.
A place.
Yeah, plate.
Yeah.
Coconut milk and sugar to go with sticky rice and mango. Now, to make steamed rice, you need to steam the rice. Well, unfortunately, I have a bamboo steamer, but you can't really steam rice. You put rice in it, you can fall right through. What do? Well, improvise, adapt, and overcome. Got a big pot and a strainer. Put water in the pot, strainer in the pot, lid on, rice, boom. We were able to steam rice. It, not pretty, but it works. Okay, so this is a dish, actually, pretty well served cold. The rice, it's just kind of clumpy because, well, it's sticky rice and it's almost solid. And the coconut milk is like a syrup. It's really thick. Now, I'm out of mango, but what I do have, I just happen to have pineapple. So, I was eating this morning. It was amazing. You take some of that, you dip it with some of the pineapple, sticky rice, sweet coconut syrup, and pineapple. Oh my freaking goodness, this is so amazing. I cannot tell you how good this is. It is cold and refreshing and sweet, and it's pineapple and coconut. Oh golly, you could eat this all day as a snack. I can't say enough about how good this tastes. So, on that really delicious note, be seeing you.